Welcome, sprue enthusiasts. So as you can see, we have our completed Eduard Typhoon in 148. So I'll go over a few little modifications that I've done towards the end of that video. So I toned a few things down. The chipping that we were seeing on where they change out the ammunition was a little bit overdone. So I subdued that on both sides, as you can see. And I think the result of that worked out really well. One thing that you probably weren't able to tell too well in previous videos, hopefully I can get it to go right, but some of the weathering that I was doing on the propeller blade, the final effect of that, which I'm very pleased with. So a few other things to note. The oil that I used for the smoke turned out quite well. So there's that. The end result with the exhaust. All right. Also tone down and try to make the fuel streaks a little bit more uniform with the airflow, because that was pointed out to me that I was a little bit off. So I did that as well and just made it look dirty but not overly weathered or anything on the bottom. So I can still see a few bits where like the filling of the seams just kind of turned into a ghost seam, but overall pretty glad of the result that it came out to. And then one thing with this is all that work on the cockpit pretty much gone. You can't really see, unless maybe somebody comes into a contest with a flashlight and is looking around and seeing in there, but otherwise it's all pretty well obscured. Yeah. Beyond that, I added the rockets, which were pretty fun. Adding a little bit of paint on the tips. Went together quite smoothly. But yes, you can take note. Could have done a little bit better right here with some of those seams. Could have been cleaned up a little bit better. And this seam was just a super pain. If I wanted to, I could go in and fill in these little extra lines that I made. And then a few of the rescribing lines didn't turn out exactly as I wanted, but overall, the lines that came from the two pieces coming together actually went pretty well. So pretty pleased with that. All right, if you have any questions on specific techniques that I did for this, how I did certain things, why I did certain things, I might be able to answer that, I don't know. Beyond that, just put in the comments. Let me know if you'd like to see a follow-up video going over specific techniques more in detail, as this video had a lot of different techniques that I threw in there. As always, like and subscribe.